Happy New Year. If you hear any coughing or laughing, it's because Emma is on the sofa, but she's not going to join in. Are you? No. Okay, so we're just going to do some short ones because I haven't done a video for a while, so I thought I should do some, but need to recap myself. So we're going to do animals, farm animals to start off with. Actually, I've just come back from Asia and my two favourite animals in Asia were elephants and the giraffe. Oh no, it goes like that. That's the giraffe. Okay, so farm animals this is a cow. This is bull. This is sheep. That's just because they've got curly hair, I think. This is mouse. Mouse. This is cat. Just do the whiskers. This is dog. This is goose. And duck. Turkey. Horse. Pig. And if you want to say guinea pig, not that they're on a farm, they could be. Guinea pig, so just a G and a pig. Fish. If you want to say goldfish, that's gold. Goldfish. What other animals are there I could teach you? Emma, what other animals have I missed? She's not talking.
Flamingo.
I don't know flamingo. Okay. Well, that's some animals for you to learn. So quickly again: cat, dog, mouse, sheep, cow, bull, fish, goldfish, guinea pig or just the pig, horse. I think I did that. Oh, donkey. That's donkey. Oh, that's chicken. And if you want to say baby anything, you do this. So, baby chicken, baby pig, and so on. Yes, as animals. See you next week. Bye.